When it comes to dropshipping, one of the most critical factors you need to consider is shipping time. So, today, we're going to answer a burning question: Spocket versus AliExpress, which dropshipping platform offers faster shipping times? By the end of this video, you'll know which platform gives you the edge when it comes to delivering products to your customers faster, but stay tuned, because I'll be revealing a better option for fast shipping times that might surprise you. Let's start with Spocket. The first thing you'll notice about Spocket is that it focuses on suppliers located primarily in the US and Europe, which can give you a huge advantage when it comes to shipping times. Compared to AliExpress, which is largely based in China, Spocket suppliers can offer domestic shipping. This means if you're targeting customers in the US or Europe, you'll often see shipping times as low as 2 to 5 days. But there's a catch: Spocket's products do tend to be priced higher than AliExpress, and sometimes it's not as easy to scale your store without higher upfront costs. Next thing, let's talk about AliExpress. If you're looking for a massive selection of products, AliExpress is the go-to platform. The biggest downside, though, is the shipping times. While it's true you can get some items with relatively quick shipping, the average shipping time is typically much longer than Spocket. We're talking anywhere from 10 to 30 days, and that's if you're lucky. However, the advantage here is that AliExpress often offers cheaper products, which can result in a better profit margin if you're willing to wait, or if you have a customer base that's okay with longer delivery times. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing: ease of integration. Spocket integrates with Shopify and WooCommerce pretty seamlessly. It's user-friendly and perfect if you're looking for a platform that minimizes your setup time. AliExpress also integrates with Shopify using Oberlo, but the integration can be a bit clunky, and the platform's interface isn't as clean or intuitive as Spocket's. This can sometimes lead to a more frustrating experience when managing your store. Another key factor is customer service. With Spocket, the support is generally pretty responsive, especially considering they focus on suppliers from more established markets. AliExpress, on the other hand, can be hit or miss. Some suppliers have amazing customer service, but others might leave you hanging for days. That inconsistency can make or break your dropshipping experience, especially when trying to manage customer expectations around long shipping times. Now, I know what you're thinking: Spocket sounds great for faster shipping, but it's not as budget-friendly as AliExpress. So, where does that leave you? Is there a better alternative for faster shipping times? Well, after testing both platforms, I found a platform that provides even faster shipping than Spocket while maintaining better pricing. If you're looking for quicker shipping, lower costs, and an easier user experience than both Spocket and AliExpress, there's one more platform I highly recommend. It's got exclusive benefits for our viewers, and I've personally had great results with it. If you're looking to seriously level up your dropshipping game, check out the first link in the description for a free trial. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. In summary, Spocket and AliExpress both have their pros and cons when it comes to shipping times. Spocket is great for faster delivery if you're targeting the US or Europe, but it comes with a higher price tag. AliExpress offers lower prices, but sacrifices on shipping speed, which could hurt your store's reputation in the long run. But for those of you looking for a better, faster alternative, I highly recommend you check out the platform I've linked in the description, especially for those looking to improve shipping times without compromising on price. Take advantage of that free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. The choice is yours, but with this option, you're guaranteed to see better results faster.